Right, hi guys. We're here with Satoshi. Who's going to give us like an overview of ROMs, just to learn a little bit more about what these guys do and different sizes. Yeah, could you give me just a quick run through with the company, starting with the age and the products that you guys do?
Yeah, we are ROMS, the manufacturer of automated warehouse for the small business.
Yep.
And yeah, we provide a nanostream. It is this is a product.
It's quite cool. I like it. Yeah.
We started 2019.
Yeah.
And we just start from the very small automated warehouse for just retail, but we make more large product.
Yeah.
For transportation and factory automation.
Right. Okay. Okay. And then, so I saw that you do the words omni means as in omni-channel. So it can be retail, warehouse, maybe like hospitals. What's the different payloads? Like, what's the smallest weight and the heaviest weight?
Our product is just bring for just 30 kilograms.
30 kilos. Yeah.
For just a one
box. Yeah.
Box.
Is that including the box as well? The weight of the box?
With box.
With box. So with box, and all the boxes I can see are this size, but some of them are shorter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It could be. Yeah. If the customer prefer.
Yeah.
The cartridge can be very small.
Right. Okay.
Or large.
Or large. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, I like the idea. As you said, it's if someone is in the middle of a city and they want to have something to take up the floor space, like click and collects, sort of things.
Yes.
So is it a Japanese company?
Yes, Japanese startup company.
It is a Japanese startup. Yeah. Okay. And have you installed these into sites around like Japan yet?
Mainly in Japan, but we opened the office in United States.
Okay.
Just a few months ago.
Right.
So we spread the business. Global.
And the ones you've installed into Japan, what sort of industry is that?
It's firstly the transportation.
Transportation.
Yeah.
So it's like a car manufacturing.
Yes.
Okay. And they put the different car components in. And then when someone wants a component, they essentially just call the component.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. That's fine. And do you think car manufacturing is going to be the industry where ROMS is going to go for first, or do you think so? Yeah. So it's the car manufacturing.
Yeah.
Have you had much luck in like the shopping industry, like retail?
We would like to, but sometimes they have the cost issue. So it is difficult to install.
Right, I see. Yeah. So they're balancing out cost. Yeah, I understand that actually. Yeah. Okay. And then is this so how? I'm assuming that you can have it as big as you want, really, because you just add the extra rack in.
Yes.
So you can have it as a. Do you do it by like an 8x8 or a 12x12 or a 16x16? Is there certain metrics that you use?
Firstly, we recommend to install with 100 square meters.
100 square meters.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And expand the loads, lengths or robots.
And then so the robot goes up, it picks the box, and then I saw the little robot on the floor earlier. Then he would go to a designated area somewhere. Oh, is it around the corner?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do some separate videos of that so they can see it. So he goes around the corner where there'd be like an operator who can take the stuff out.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, we've got some videos here as well, right? So I'll make sure I get those videos. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's it. Yes, so it's known as a nano. So the nano stream, is that software or? It says nano.
It is include the software.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hardware and software both.
And what is nano stream?
It's the warehouse for very small business. So
right.
Okay. Because the automated warehouse is more, let's say, large scale investment
Yeah,
in the past.
yeah.
But right now, we have the more small solutions.
Yeah, no, I like it. I can see the benefit. Yeah, I can definitely see the benefit. Okay, no, I think it's a great overview. So I'll do some other videos of the robot going around and I'll slice them in. So yeah. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Cool. Thank you. Cool.